Hello everyone, start off by taking multiple red balls of clay. Afterwards, make a line in the middle of them and then add a yellow center to it. Take a earbud and then wrap some green clay around it and then insert it under the flower that you've created. Add leaf-like structures to either side of it as well and then insert it into a little clay pot. Next, take a container, add pebbles to the base of it and then add clay on top of this. Insert some twigs into it, then take multiple pink balls of clay and then arrange it in a circular shape, add a yellow center to it. Now insert these onto each of the little twigs present. Next, take multiple sticks and then take some earbuds as well. Arrange it in the shape of this chair and then afterwards, make sure you make the legs and then the connecting pieces as well. Make the backrest as well. Next, we'll start off by taking a bottle and then cut the base of this. Now, taking the upper half of it, make multiple slits to it as such. Make them V-shaped holes and then take a ball of clay and insert it onto the edge of each of these. Insert the bottle on top of this. Next, take multiple earbuds, cut out the edge of it on one of the sides. As for the other side of it, add multiple edges of the earbuds into it. Now, insert these into a little pot of clay, that is, a little container of clay. Take these multiple sticks, arrange it in this shape and make the square out of it. And now, on all four corners, add them vertically as well. Add these connecting pieces to it, make it look like a table. Now, add a chair behind it on either side. Take a pink sheet of paper and then make it like yours by adding a white inner center. Add eyes underneath it and then add whiskers as well. Add a little mouth to it and there you have it. Next, take a bottle, cut out a portion of it and now make multiple slits at the top of the bottle as such. Make them curved slits and then afterwards twist them so slightly. Now take the rest of the bottle, take another piece of it, add another rubber band through it and then insert it. It can be used as a fan. Next, take some clay, make balls out of it and then arrange them in a circular shape. Add a line right through the middle, add a yellow center to it and then insert a green cylindrical shape underneath it. Now wrap it around with this yellow sheet of paper to make it look like a bouquet. Next, take a stalk, cut it up into pieces as such. Afterwards, arrange it in this shape and then on either side of it, add these longer pieces to it. Make it look like a chair. Now, after you've added these connecting pieces, this is what it should look like. Take a circular sheet of paper, add another circular sheet of paper within this, make multiple horizontal folds to it, and now fold it almost into half. Make one side slightly bigger than the other. Make two of these and stick them together, add the antenna to the top, and then you have yourself a butterfly. Next, take a square sheet of paper, fold it over multiple times to make this triangle, and now afterwards make a curved cut to it. Take a circular yellow sheet of paper and add a face to it, add it around this, and then add another green cylindrical shape underneath this. Take a pink sheet of paper, make this shape out of it, and afterwards add these other two cutouts on either side of it. Now add a head at the top of it, add the eyes, a little snout, and a mouth, and then the cheeks to it as well. Stick this to the front. Next, take a square sheet of paper, fold it up into half, and then fold it up once more, make this triangular shape out of it, and then cut it up in this heart-like shape. Now make multiple of these, and then stick one on top of the other. Add a green cylindrical shape underneath it to make the stem. Next, we'll start off by taking multiple bits of hay. Then, take a ball of clay, arrange it in this almost ovular shape. Add the eyes to the front of it, a little snout as well, and now insert each of the pieces of the hay into it as such. Take an ice cream stick and then afterwards make a hole at the top and the bottom and the middle as such. Make a hole in the places and then afterwards add a rubber band through it and now you can use it as a bow and arrow. Next, we'll start off by taking a yellow strip of paper. After this, add pink to the top of it, that is 2 more pink strips. Add the eyes to the top of it as well and then starting from the back, begin to roll it over as such. Now you may add it onto a leaf and stick it in place. Thank you for watching.